Hi, I'm Chef CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. As always, Yoshi right behind me, climbing around, doing a little thing. Yep. You want to know how to make scrambled eggs? I'm gonna show you today. We're gonna do 3 different eggs, 2 different tactics, and that final egg is gonna be a game changer in your kitchen. Let's cook. Yep. Check out that texture. Check out that color. You don't want it brown or it's gonna be burnt. Yep. All right, now you know how to make scrambled eggs, but we're gonna add some more ingredients on this next one. Really put it to that next level, and it's gonna impress them taste buds with this new skill you just learned. Alright, so now you know how to make scrambled eggs multiple different ways with a little extra flair. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button for me. If you want to see more in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, because I got a lot more videos coming. I plan on doing more egg videos. We're going to do some breakfast stuff. We're going to do some dinner stuff. A lot of videos coming. So keep cooking and love life.